I want to sit with something for a few minutes, something most of us have felt but rarely talk about out loud. There's a particular kind of power that doesn't look like power at all. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't feel strong in the moment you're experiencing. In fact, it usually feels like the opposite, like exposure, like risk, like you've lost your footing. That's the feeling of vulnerability. And I want to show you something subtle about it that most of us miss. When you're vulnerable, when you're at the edge of what you can handle, what you can explain, what you can control, something opens. Not because vulnerability itself is powerful, but because vulnerability is the one condition where dependence becomes possible. As long as you feel capable, you don't reach. As long as you feel in control, you don't need anything outside yourself. But the moment that control runs out, that's the moment a door opens that was closed the entire time you felt strong. Paul understood this in a way most of us never will, because he asked God 3 times to remove a weakness he carried, and God didn't remove it. Instead, God told him something that reframes everything. My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Notice what that verse does not say. It doesn't say God's power shows up despite your weakness. It says God's power is made perfect, completed, brought to its fullest expression in weakness. The weakness isn't the obstacle to the power, it's the location of it. My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Here's the subtle part. This isn't a strength you can manufacture. You cannot perform vulnerability and get the same result, because the power isn't in the feeling of being exposed. It's in what that exposure opens you to receive. Dependence on God isn't a consolation prize for people who couldn't manage on their own. It's the actual design. Strength was never meant to originate in you holding it all together. It was designed to be received in the moment you can't. So the next time you feel that vulnerable, unsteady, exposed feeling, don't read it only as a warning. Read it as an open door. Grace doesn't wait for you to recover your strength. Grace comes through the crack. That's the subtle power hidden inside your weakness.